Ends in a Chesapeake hit-and-run trial, which left the community mourning the death of an 8-year-old.
Richard Humbert is accused of hitting the child, Forrest Hooper, and never turning back to help. Alex Littlehales reports from outside the courthouse on what we've learned from the first day of testimony.
In their opening statements, both prosecutors and defense attorneys told jurors that this is a case that's going to revolve around how much did Richard Humbert know or did not know when he struck 8-year-old Forrest Hooper with his car and kept driving. Richard Humbert stands before a jury facing the possibility of up to 10 years in prison if he's convicted for a deadly hit and run which killed 8-year-old Forrest Hooper last year. Court records reveal Humbert hit the child with his car while the 8-year-old was crossing South Battlefield Boulevard to hang out with friends. Humbert told police he later stopped his car to look at the damage, but never turned back around because he claims he thought he hit a deer. His defense attorneys argue they will not dispute the fact that Humbert is the driver of the car, but instead rely on the claim Humbert didn't know he hit a child. But in their opening statements, prosecutors pointed to the lack of an insurance claim and news article searches for Chesapeake hit and run on his phone. They say demonstrates he knew more than what he told police. In witness testimony from the homeowner who called 911, she said in the immediate seconds after finding Hooper, he showed no signs of life. So what can we expect in day 2 of this trial? Well, prosecutors tell 13 News now that there should be potentially medical examiners to go over the cause of death for Forrest Hooper and how this relates to the trial. In Chesapeake, I'm Alex Littlehales for 13 News Now.
An off-duty Virginia Beach police officer and a passing nurse attempted CPR to keep Hooper alive before doctors pronounced him dead at the hospital.